Hello, this is Elsa Lamah, Jeffrey Yammine, and Mark Ball presenting to you the second clinical scenario of the third EBM assignment. This is Mark Ball talking. Our clinical scenario here is, would vaccinating the children with MMR cause autism? And this is in a scenario we want to be researching on PubMed. So let's first dissect our scenario into the PICO elements. P stands for population, which is the children. I is for intervention, which is the MMR vaccine. C is for comparison, which is not giving the MMR vaccine. O is for outcome, which is developing autism. And our type of question here is harm, and ideally we would be dealing with cohorts. So here, to first access PubMed, we are on the SML Saab Medical Library website. We here access PubMed.
Hi, this is Elsa, and here, as we know, PubMed is a smart tool that by default chooses keywords and meshes, and we'd rather focus on meshes to make our search more effective and quick. So we're going to enter the mesh database. And to make our job easier, we have to divide our topic into broad ideas. Here we have two, the MMR vaccine and autism. So we're going to start with the first mesh, which is MMR vaccine. Okay, so here we got measles, mumps, rubella vaccine, which is the right topic. And since by default PubMed takes everything that is under MMR vaccine in the hierarchy into consideration, we need to check if there's anything under it in the hierarchy that we don't need. This is not the case here. MMR vaccine is the last thing, so we do not need to check this box. I'm gonna add this to our search builder. Then we're gonna search for our second mesh, which is autism. Okay, so here we got autistic disorder, autism spectrum disorder. We're gonna start with the first one. Okay, so we got autistic disorder. Again, the same thing. We make sure nothing under it in the hierarchy. Okay, so here I noticed that we have autism spectrum disorder. That might be interesting to us. So I'm gonna take this one. Again, we check for the hierarchy. Okay, so here I see that we have Asperger's syndrome and autistic disorder. Both are relevant to us, so we're gonna keep it. I'm not gonna check this box, and we make sure this is and I'm gonna add it to our search builder.
Hi, I'm Jeffrey Yammine, and like Elsa said, we want to narrow our results as much as possible. So what I'm gonna do, I want to go for clinical queries in order to answer my patient's question. So I'm gonna copy paste the mesh, and second of all, I wanna put etiology because it's a harm question, and I'm gonna search with a broad scope first of all, and we can see we have 113 results. So 113 results is too much, so I'm gonna try to narrow the results. I'll go to limits since our question is focusing on small children and infants. So I'll go into additional filters, go to age, infant, preschool child, and I'll click into child. Then I'm gonna select again infant, child, and preschool child. Now let's see the results. It went down to 82 results. Still it's gonna be a lot of time to read 82 articles, so I'm gonna try to narrow it down again. So I'll go to clinical queries, re-put the meshes, come in, we'll go to etiology, and I'm gonna change the scope from broad to narrow. Let's see the search, and it went down to 31. Still, I wanna add the filters that I already added. And let's see the results. It went down to 21 results, and there you have it.